Ladies and gentlemen, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the commander has switched off the seatbelt lights. You may then leave the aircraft. Be careful when opening the overhead stowage compartments, as some luggage may have shifted during the landing. Make sure that you have all your personal possessions with you. All mobile phones, regardless of mode, must remain switched off until we have opened the aircraft doors. All airports in South Africa have been declared smoke-free areas. Smoking is prohibited until you have left the airport building. If you need any help during disembarkation, please remain in your seat.